Do you have a WooCommerce website where you sell goods to European countries? Then definitely this plugin is for you. Hi, I am Abdul Hamid from WPFactory, and today we're going to talk about one of the important plugins for people who sell products or goods where you can get rid of the violation and regulation of the EU taxes and UK taxes, because this plugin will help you to automate the process of the VAT settings, the VIES, the validation, and how to apply taxes, ensuring really good, seamless, and compliant customer experience. So let's go and explore this plugin more.
Let's remove this here first, and then we go to plugins. I believe, cool, and you click on add new plugin. So this is already added, but I just want to show you how it look like. You can search for EU VAT. Here it is. So ignore those, and here it is. You can just activate, install, then activate. Yeah. So let's go back to that plugin settings. Clicking on settings, then as you can see here, we have it here, and coming here. First of all, it should be enabled, and then we can think of those things. Now, as you can see here, it says front end options. You can label the field, the name you want, EU VAT number, EU VAT, whatever, the placeholder also. And then if you want to add a description to that field, also you can have it here. And here you can add the VAT field will be. Now, the VAT field will be, those are the options that I want to talk to you guys on those things. As you can see here, it says required, means that this option that you are choosing here, it will be required with the following countries, because I chosen here required in the following countries, means that this will be only required on those following countries, and you can add any country you want. Definitely should be within the European countries. Okay, now if you clicked on optional, as you can see, this will be disabled, and the whole EU VAT will be in optional mode. Wherever you go and use it, it will be an optional. So this is something that is important to clarify here. When you say that this is optional, it means that whether the user or the customer filled it up or not, it's still optional. Now, if you put it as required, means that this is important to be filled. Otherwise, you cannot proceed with checkout. And here, required in the following countries. So you can choose the countries that it's required within. And here, required in all countries except the following countries. This is the opposite, as you can see. Means that if somebody came to Spain from here, and we are saying required in all countries except the following countries, means in Spain it will be required. But those countries it will not be required there. So we're trying to give you all options that you might think or you might need. So I hope this that it will satisfy you, because definitely we are thinking all scenarios that would happen by using this plugin. Now the last one, it's required if customer fills the company field, means that if he did not, it means that this is an individual customer, means that he will pay the VAT. So let's see, like for example here, required if customer fills the company field. So let's go, just save it, just to show you quickly how it look like, and go here. So we have this amazing product. I just want to buy it. Okay, so we add it to cart. We go to checkout, and as you can see here, it shows the item. You want to buy it 5 times, which is fine. I'm totally fine with that. And here it it asks you to fill the company name. Scrolling down, as you can see here, the EU VAT number. Now, if I filled up this WPFactory, let's say, and I scroll down, now if I want to say, okay, I want to buy this product, as you can see, the EU VAT number is not valid. So it needs or required a valid EU VAT number. And I want to show you something which is nice. Now, when you type something, as you can see here now, it's validating the VAT number. Means that we have a database of all VAT numbers within the European countries, and it's checking the VAT number. Now let me remove the company name, and then I come to the placeholder here. Let's see what's going to happen. Cool. So as you can see, because I did not fill the company name, it works. So this is a very important thing to look at. Now, going back here, let's scroll down. The confirmation notice, and you can add the confirmation notice that you want. Add the EU VAT field sign up form. If you want to have this one, it's also optional. As you can see, this one here, we have those two check boxes. Those more of for WooCommerce Pro, like for the EU for our plugin, but Pro version, where it shows specific payment method only if VAT is valid. Means that I'm going to show you the Stripe payment only if the VAT is valid. The method to show for valid VAT only also. Now also, this is as you know guys, like we have some more advanced features specifically for example, billing compatibility. Let customer decide. So this option will allow customers to select if they are individuals or business. Now let customer decide what is the field, like I don't have a VAT ID and valid VAT but still paying, so I want to still paying, which is you can just enable this. And as you can see here, we have the valid VAT but still paying field label. So I have the valid VAT, and here we have in regards to the priority and the CSS code, those amazing stuff. And also, as you can see here, we have the option to show the field for the selected countries, but this is also for the Pro version, and also here show field for selected user roles only. Means that you're going to say, okay, I want to show this field only for wholesale customers. So you can decide. And the display options, do you want to display it after the order table or in billing address? And you can reset and also save changes anytime you want. Scrolling up, let's see the validation and the progress. As you can see here, we have the option to validate at sign up. You can have it also at the sign up. First validation method, you can choose SOAP, the CURL, and if you want to have it simple, and exempt VAT for valid numbers. You want to have it to be enabled or you want to be disabled. Now scrolling down also, you have also the preserve VAT if shipping country is different from the billing countries, because we have this situation. As you can see, we're trying to give you all customization options that you can need for this. Most of us wouldn't need all of those customization options, just to give you the variety, because honestly, we usually, how to do the plugin, we listen to our customers, and based on that we provide those options. So we have the preserve VAT in selected countries. Oh, and by the way, because we're listening to our customers, so if you have any question or comment, just put it on the video below, and hopefully I will answer to you very soon. Check country by IP, check the company name, which is something interesting here, and also check for matching billing country code. By the way, those all related, as you can see, for the Pro version. And scrolling down, we have also low VAT number input without country code. And we have several options here, as you can see, for the validation for the selected countries, and also for the user roles. And I want to show you here the validation action trigger. Do you want to have it on input or on blur? The progress messages. Add progress messages. Do you want to add it or not? And those progress messages like validating, valid, not valid, validation field. As you can see here, we have different options. Scrolling up, we go to the admin and advanced. Also here for the language guide, the advanced options, and also scrolling down, as you can see, do you want to force VAT recheck on the checkout? Which is important thing. And also, do you want to have the enable of site press optimizer dynamic caching plugin not works? So sometimes if you face those caching problems. So I hope this quick showcase video for you guys, it will be helpful. And as you can see here, anytime you feel that, okay, I need the Pro version, I need the features for the Pro version, you just click here and you go quickly to our amazing website, and you scroll down, you click on see pricing, or you can just see the demo site if you want. Scrolling down, as you can see here, we have the bundle pricing. We have the single one and the 4 plugin bundle, which is interesting deal, honestly, if you want to have it. So you can have 4 plugins within only $8 almost. And here you have the access for all access plugins. I would go with this, honestly. So you can browse plugins, and whenever you add, so you can pick any 4 plugins you want. You can just add it to the basket, and when you go to the purchase, you will just have them there in your bucket. Cool. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's see you in the next one.